Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today's video product is a return customer. Y'all remember the Creworks electrolysis unit I got? Well, they have sent me an ultrasonic cleaner. See if I can get you down here into this spot. This right here is the electrolysis unit, and I have been using it quite often. So let's unpack this. You got your user's manual. And they told me the best thing to do is put water and a little bit of cleaner in it. And I'm going to find something that's really nasty and put in it just to see what it will do. So let's get this unpacked. Well, looks like we got us nice stainless lid. Oh, it still has the plastic on it. Oh, that's so satisfying. I'm going to take those screws out and get all that out, make it look really nice. Okay, let's get the rest of this out of here. Alright, that's all in the box. There's our little parts tray. Oh, look at that. And I gotta tell you, that thing's got some weight to it too. But I want you to look over here. I'm gonna lower you down just to, well, we'll just do this. And we'll take you in a little bit closer. This right here is a drain for it. And you've got, looks like they send you a nozzle and a clamp where you can actually see the cleaning strength may expose already compressor delicate finish. Okay. Huh. I guess that part has to keep from parts from going out of the strainer. Here's your power cord. Put that down in here. All right. Well, there is the unit. Let me get it set up right real quick. And then we will go to put something in it and come back and see what it's like. All right, I got you trained on the product. And it has got a on-off switch here on the back. It's got your temperature here and your timer here. And they said to put a little bit of detergent in with it. I'm going to choose a little bit of Purple Power. And what we're going to do is we're going to add distilled water. I want to put this in first. And this is what I have chosen to clean. We will see how nice it gets this. It's got carbon, it's got oil buildup, it's just got a little bit of everything. So we will drop it down in here, and I will add water into it. May have to get a second jug. Is it going to make it? Oh, so close. So close. Dash of detergent. Let me go grab another jug of water real quick. We're back. Now I want to finish this thing on off. There, we're covered right to the top line. All right. Drop our lid on. No, I haven't taken these out yet. There's a switch right here above the power cord. It is on. Temperature. We're going to put it up to 170. I want to get this thing warm. And we got to put it up to 30 minutes. Oh. Can you see what it's doing in there? It's already working on this thing. All right, we'll come back in 30 minutes, see what it looks like. All right, I just heard something click off. I'm gonna take the temp, turn it down. Whew, it looks dirty in there, and it feels warm. This is going to be real time. I have not seen it myself. We're going to see what it did. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's take a look here. Look at that. And the rings. Maybe a little more soap in there. I don't know. That cleaned up that area right there. I want to turn this thing over. What I want to do, I want to put it in for another 30 minutes. I'm going to add just a little more of the purple power, because I did not add much that first time. Turn this back up, turn that back on, and we'll come back. Okay, I'll let it go for about another 15 minutes. We'll go ahead and shut her down. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the off switch back here. There we go. Well, that does look dirty in there, doesn't it? All right, I'll set you up. Put you right here where I want to bring it out. Yep, that water is warm. So are these handles. Okay. Let me get me a paper towel or a rag, and let's just see exactly how clean we got it. Yeah. There's still a little bit of dirt on there, but My golly. That really knocked some stuff off. Let's look at all this down here. Yeah, that rod is looks like rusty is all that's left on it. Yeah, the carbon's still up there. Goodness. Look at that. That worked pretty darn good. Now then. Yeah, side by side what they looked like before and after. There's the jug of water. Nice and nasty. Let's see here. There's a before and after. Right there. I would say it done pretty darn good. Now, you know, with any new tool, I gotta play with it until I do it right. So next time I'm going to let that heat warm up first before I start in the ultrasonic. But I want you to look down inside those pistons. You got the inside of that skirt really, really clean. And the piston rod itself, there to there, that did pretty doggone nice. I like it. Creworks, thank you so much. I appreciate you sending me these tools. This is something I've been kind of wanting for a while. Didn't know when or what I would use it for. But I think I see the next thing I want to do. So I've got a whole pile of engine bolts over there that need to be cleaned up. Usually we clean them by hand, but with this, I don't think we'll have to. So, Creworks, thank you so much. Looking forward to your next product. We'll see y'all next time. Remember, if you got somebody in your life who likes to work and needs to clean stuff, so make a great Christmas present. Y'all have a good time. See you next time on Santa's Workshop.